Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. So I love to send thank you cards, and this is one of my designs for June. I am head over heels for the all-inclusive kit, the Simply Citrus kit. I cannot wait to do this. I've started, but I haven't finished. We're gonna use the stamp set from Simply Citrus. I really bought it mostly for the stamp set. Thanks for Being You, a little lemon slice. There's little I don't know what they are. They're like little bursts. They look like little flowers. The lemon, I think that's it. We're gonna use everything all from this one little stamp set. I love Stampin' Up kits. When you're done with the kit, you still got the stamp set, the ink pad, and lots of good ideas. I love Stampin' Up kits because when you're done with the kit, you've still got the stamp set, the ink pad, and when they're all inclusive, you've got this you've got the clear acrylic block too. All right, we're all blocked up. We're ready to go here. I'm gonna start off today with a Just Jade card base. I love Just Jade. I think I've been through 3, 4, maybe 5 packages of this cardstock already. We're gonna use Just Jade ink on our background. Card base is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4 for a standard top fold card. We're gonna stamp the background here, so we need to protect our work surface. Grabbing my little mini grid paper. I love how compact it is. All right, so we've got our lemon slices here, and we're gonna stamp kind of a triangle of lemon slices up at the top of our card base here. And I'm wondering why I'm getting a sketchy image. It's because I forgot my Stampin' Pierce mat. Let me get that. All right, now I got my Stampin' Pierce mat underneath. Let's go ahead and do another triangle down in the bottom left corner here. And then we're gonna intersperse these with some of this little triad of blossoms. There's our background. Let me put this aside for just a second. Now I've got a scrap of mint macaron and a scrap of So Saffron. Oh, that's what I forgot, my little leaves. Let's get those guys on a block. All right, we're gonna stamp our leaves twice on the mint macaron scrap, and then we're gonna grab a couple more inks here. I've got Night of Navy and Bumblebee. We're gonna stamp our lemons with Bumblebee ink on So Saffron cardstock. I love that lemon. I just think it's too adorable. All right, set those guys aside. And I've got a circle. This is the 1 7/8 inch stitched circle. It's the second largest circle in the Stitched Shapes die set. I already cut that one ahead of time. We're gonna do Thanks for Being You in Night of Navy ink on that circle cutout. So pretty. All right, I think we are done with our awesome stamp set here. Let me close up the ink pads and I'm gonna get the big shot. Got a scrap of Night of Navy cardstock, and this is my brand new Tasteful Labels dies. I am using this for everything. It's a gorgeous collection of all different shape mix and match labels. They're not really nested, but they're in such a wide variety of sizes and shapes that they can naturally be mixed and matched and stacked. So we're going to use this kind of oblong label to mat our stitched circle. Pop that through the big shot. It embosses a little beveled edge. I love it. It looks kind of mitered. Such a beautiful little finish. All right, I've got multi-purpose liquid glue here. Let's add Thanks for Being You circle and glue that centered in our Night of Navy label. And now go onto our card base. I have some designer series paper here. I'm using the 6x6 in color designer series paper. This is a 2x4 inch piece. And we're going to put that on our card. Oh, a little bit high of center, but centered right to left. And just glued it on flat with some multi-purpose liquid glue. So pretty. Got another piece of in color designer series paper here. This one is the Bumblebee paper, and it's about 3 3/4 by 3/4. We're gonna go ahead and just clip a quick chicken lips on both sides here. Such a pretty color combination. The green and yellow of the lemons with the pop of the classic navy. This one's slightly high of center, centered right to left on our designer series paper. Then, thanks for being you. We're gonna put that one high of center. See, it's not centered, it's up on the paper and then up off the top edge. I'm using my dots to hopefully give me a nice straight placement. Oh, love. All right, let's go back to our little leaves and lemons, and we're gonna fussy cut those guys. Let me grab my paper snips here, and we're just gonna cut these out with a little hair past the line so they're nice and smooth. And we'll just rotate into the scissor blade. Your non-dominant hand's doing all the work. We'll cut out the lemons and the leaves and then get this card put together. All right, so there's our last little lemon. I need a little bit of dimensionals. Here we go. We're gonna take some bits. I'm gonna do little long pieces, about 1/4 of a dimensional, and I'm gonna put them on the leaf here. We're gonna add some leaves, and then this one, that other little scrap of dimensional. I'm gonna put that on this inside leaf and add that guy kind of underneath, but don't cover your greeting, watch your greeting. Then we need a lemon flat, so we'll use some multi-purpose liquid glue on one lemon. We'll pop that guy on the leaves. And we need a bumped up lemon, because nothing's fun without a bumped up lemon. We'll add that guy. Are you ready for the magic? A little bit of embellishment here. I've got some linen thread. I'm gonna tie the tiniest little bow. The natural fiber is perfect with the leafy lemons and the color palette. Trim the excess and a little dab of multi-purpose liquid glue on the knot. Put it right up on the top of our lemons. So cute. That's it. Thanks for being you. Who knew you could get so much great use out of the Simply Citrus stamp set from the Simply Citrus kit? I'm just loving it. I'm having such a good time. If you got any questions about the project, the products, especially the Simply Citrus kit, I'd love to get together and do it, maybe on a Zoom or a Facebook Live or something. We can do it all together. If you got questions, email marissa@kitchentablestamper.com, and to pick up the products, you can buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.